Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to LearnTech. Sometimes we are facing pen drive is showing but data is not showing. Here is the same problem I have faced. My pen drive data is not showing. Even system file and folder, hidden file and folder showing from system. You can see my hidden file and folder is showing from system, but my data is not showing on my pen drive. This is the right video you have searched. Here I will show you how to resolve this problem. How to retrieve your data from corrupted pen drive or virus affected pen drive. So let's start the video. You can see my pen drive is connected in my computer, but check pen drive properties. There is 14.9 GB pen drive and 11 GB is data used and free space 3.90 GB, and there is no data in my pen drive. How to retrieve the data? At first I suggest you, this is happening for virus. At first check your pen drive from virus scanner. Right click on pen drive and scan for virus. Here I am using AVG free antivirus and my pen drive is scanning. I am stopping the scan because I have already scanned. After scan, if you detect any virus, at first remove this virus, then scan complete. After scan complete, if you face same problem, your pen drive data is not showing, I will show you how to show. On search button on Windows 10, type CMD. After comes CMD, right click on CMD command prompt and click on run as administrator. If you are using Windows 7, you can go run, then type CMD. This command prompt will open after type CMD on Windows 7, Windows 8 from run option. At first you have to check which drive detected on pen drive. On my computer, my pen drive is drive H. You have to point out your pen drive, which drive is used to your pen drive. Then command prompt, you have to write some comment. I will mention on my video description this comment. You can just copy and paste. Check this is the comment. Here you have to type ATTRIB, then minus H, then plus R, then plus S, then your pen drives. Here I am using H drive. H drive is my pen drive. So I am using H colon. If your pen drive is drive E or H or others, you have to write in this situation. I am using H colon because my pen drive is using drive H. Then slash, then start dot star, then backslash, then D. Now enter. Now we can check my pen drive data is showing. Here is the command, and this is your pen drive. My pen drive all data is showing. If you want to copy, you can just right click on data, then copy and make some folder on other drive. You can check my data is copying from pen drive to my computer. I'm stopping this copy because my data is already backed up. Try with your own corrupted virus affected pen drive with your own computer and write the comment if you feel this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much.